Greetings, fellow travelers. We are in Missouri and we are here on Route 66 at Uranus Fudge Factory General Store. So we're going to take you inside Uranus Fudge Factory and show you all the things to see inside the store. So, oh, that one's a push, Becky. Follow me. There you go. Shirts and shoes. It says, welcome to Uranus. All right, so up front, let's see what they've got. Started off with some fudge. They've got peanut butter, chocolate pecan. They've got cookies and cream and all kinds of snacks and treats. It looks like over here you can pick and choose your candies. We'll do a quick sweep. It looks like it's going to be about $4.59 half pound, $9 a pound. They've got a lot to choose from here. And popcorn and things like that. I know they've got some hilarious t-shirts and other items here that we're going to be looking at. So let's see what they've got over here. Old-fashioned gas pump. Those are getting incredibly collectible. And a few of the t-shirts here. Let's just see. Pretty funny, Becky. Oh boy, here are the heads, the animal heads. If you want to dress up as an animal, you can there. Get you a soda there. That guy. Got some of those stuffed animals up there. And, it says Uranus Space Force, keeping Uranus Klingon free since 2018. Pretty funny. So it looks like they've got some canes over here on the left. Garden gnomes. And more t-shirts. This looks like sweatshirts. We've got Get Your Kicks on Route 66 here. And poker in the front, Uranus Liquor in the rear. Uranus Liquors, Becky. And they actually do have a liquor store in the back here, so we'll go see what kind of signature items they have that are unique here to this spot. This is more of a country western area here where you can get some knives and some camping gear and things like that. And they've got a little ad playing up there about the store. So locally made hand-carved canes, pretty nice. And then here is the liquor store area. You got to be 21 or accompanied by an adult to get in here. And let's see what they've got. Looks like they've got a few light wine selections. And then over here is going to be their signature items. So we've got some wines. And they've got the moonshines here, $37.99. Corn whiskey, apple pie, cinnamon. We've got sweet tea, butterscotch, and blackberry moonshine. All from their signature label. We've got signs here, over here. Different wines. Got some drinking games. And it's pretty crowded in here. What do you think, Becky? Pretty nice?
Yeah, pretty.
I think it's cool. They've got some stuffed animals in here that really, I think they're real, and they've just been taxidermied. And then they have some other items over here. Got a Sasquatch on the wall there. Some more games. Umbrellas. What do you got? Star Trek mugs. There's Becky.
It's like a...
Yeah, it's like a... Yep, like a beer koozie or whatever they call them, cozy. It's Harry Potter items. They've got a few other items, some Star Trek and alien themes. So really, it's kind of a cool store. Definitely want to check it out. Get you a t-shirt. Space specs. Lots of artwork in here. All right, so what are you thinking? You want to get a t-shirt? There's Star Trek magnets there. Got some signs, like kitchen signs and things like that. Shot glasses, Route 66. Those are the restrooms if you need them. If you've been traveling on the long trip, and it looks like they do have a few more chocolates up here. We'll just wheel right up and see what they've got. They've got chocolate-covered Oreos, chocolate-covered raisins, caramel candied apples. They've got alien candy. They've got a selection, milk blueberry, milk chocolate, Mid, fresh made popcorn. They've got cinnamon glazed nuts. And oh boy, look at this. They got onion in here. All kinds of buttered chocolates. We've got a nice checkout here. They've got a friendly staff. And the theming and the signage is really, really great. We've got some drinks over here if you need them. Route 66 sodas. And some things unique to the area. They said thanks for picking Uranus. Look at this guy. Make Uranus great day. That's great. All right. So that's going to wrap up the general store there. We'll probably go back in there. We might get a t-shirt or something like that. But what'd you think?
Yeah, pretty cool store to check out.
They've got some really nice items. If you're into, you know, adult beverages, they've got the flavored moonshines there that says Uranus on it. They've got the wines there that have different like comical labels on them. So if you're into an adult gift there, I think that's great. The t-shirts in there are awesome. We're probably going to grab one of those just for to have around us, a nice conversation piece. They do have a strange museum over here to the left. We'll probably do that as a separate video. Just leave this as the general store. So thanks for joining us on board for this one. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Appreciate all our new subscribers out there. Thank you, fellow travelers, and we'll see you all very soon. Bye, everybody.